how to use Best Buy gift card or how to redeem your gift card on Best Buy. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In order to redeem and use your Best Buy gift card online is simple and easy. So first things first, you want to simply open up Best Buy app and you want to add items that you wish to purchase to your cart. So suppose you want to buy an Apple Watch, so you want to proceed to purchase it. So add it to cart, and once you add it to cart, you want to proceed to cart, right? And then you want to proceed to checkout. So you can see here, tap on checkout. Once you proceed to checkout, it should first ask in for your delivery address. If you already have entered it beforehand, you want to proceed to the checkout page where it'll ask you for your payment details. There, what you want to do is you want to select use a Best Buy gift card option and then proceed to enter in your card details and redeem it. So it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.